Rubik's Cube! So let's try to open this sucker. I don't have scissors or anything in this room, so I'm just gonna manually. Oh. I'm gonna try to learn how to do one side of maybe 2 colors, and then because that really helps you like see how the movement, you know what I mean, right? Do you? Okay, if you never used the Rubik's Cube, it's like you move things so that like it's kind of also a memory game, because like you move it and you're like, okay, I know I have you there, so I'm gonna put you back, but I just need to move the square here, you know? So I kind of have to get used to that right now. Music, please. I did orange. Orange was calling out to me. Let's try to do red. Oh, I already ruined orange, so. Okay, red is being very difficult. Orange like basically came up and said, yo, I'm ready. But red is proving to be very challenging. Okay, a few more minutes. I'm so glad I didn't quit. I did it. This is a drop of success. A drop of it. It's not a whole glass of it, but there you go. It feels good. Okay. Pause right here. This is so cute. And then come back. When I come back, I'm gonna knock on the internet's door and be like, got some sugar? Sugar meaning information about how to solve this Rubik's Cube. How to solve a Rubik's Cube guide for beginners. Damn, it was invented more than 30 years ago. The Rubik's Cube is actually a 26-piece puzzle. Say no 26. Each side has 9. Like 6 sides. It's 54. Oh, so 26 is that. So 8 corner pieces, 12 edge pieces, and 6 center pieces. Solve the white one on top, and then be mindful of these center pieces that are right below it. Okay. Oh my gosh! I will own you. Do you get that? Through your thick skull? Hi! So yesterday I was not feeling good. I had some anger. I basically went back to sleep. I never said this was gonna be easy. It's okay. Rome wasn't built in a day. It's alright. It's alright. Let's get to this. So, okay, these steps are not helping me. I think it's a lie. I think they're lying to me. It's not cool. I will cover all possible cases for the steps. Liars. Oh yeah, I do have that. Damn, they do got all the possibilities in there. I guess they know. It's like frustration. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to doubt you. Down. And then, okay. This is looking really good, guys. This is so not cool. Okay, I am this close to giving up. This close. I don't know what to do in those instructions. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. I just was looking at that one website. Be resourceful, bitch. Be resourceful. 7 steps and I'm stuck on the 3rd one. Just close you down, give you some rest. Look at this baby. I got all the bottom layers. I'm so happy. We just covered the imperfections and just say I done it, man. Just say I done it. I did it. I mean, I did it this far. I'm actually really proud of myself. So, hello, I am back. I didn't do much since you last saw me. I should have been practicing it and doing it, but I didn't want to do it off camera. So here I am explaining my reasoning away. Discipline issues, okay? But I'm working on it. I'm working on it. I ruined everything. Fuck me. Fuck. I ruined it. I ruined my two bottom corners or my two bottom layers. Fuck. Okay, step 1. It will look like you've messed up the whole cube, but don't worry, it will be alright when all the corners pieces are oriented. Okay, working on the last yellow. And I swear to God, when I finish this, it better all work out or I will be livid. Okay, the top layer is done, but the bottom, everything is wrong. It says, turn the top only to move another unsolved yellow piece to the front right corner of the cube and do the same algorithm. Be careful not to move the two bottom layers between the algorithm and never rotate the whole cube. And this is after they fucking described to do it all until all 4 corners are done. How the fuck am I supposed to read this? I guess read your instructions. Redo! The motivation. Gotta start somewhere, and then maybe I will